Data-driven insights are crucial for efficient supply chain management in the highly competitive consumer goods industry. Our customer, an American multinational Fortune 500 food manufacturing company, was facing challenges with inefficient logistics reporting due to an unscalable legacy infrastructure. Multiple data sources scattered across the in-house analytics environment hindered the logistics reporting process. They wanted to improve the inconsistent sales and logistics scorecard data, automate the manual freight cost reconciliation process, create a centralized repository for crucial logistics metrics. Essential KPIs such as delivery times, product availability, and order accuracy in the logistics reporting processes were displayed with a supply chain control tower that required better UX and load times. The customer partnered with Sigmoid to create a single source of truth powered by a centralized data lake and automated data pipelines to deliver near real-time and accurate insights. We guided the data discovery process and identified the necessary datasets to be brought in with automated data pipelines. The data processing workflow was executed by a collection of Redshift stored procedures, which were activated through AWS Glue jobs. The reports on logistics KPIs were efficiently generated and used by the BI teams for faster and easier interpretation. The automated data pipelines integrated and consolidated information from multiple sources, ensuring a single source of truth. The customer was able to achieve real-time KPIs monitoring, reduce costs by streamlining the freight reconciliation process, and enhance logistics reporting capabilities. Take control of your supply chain tower with a centralized data lake and automated data pipelines. Reach out to us at marketing@sigmoid.com or visit our website to know more.